ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. చెప్పండి.
Good morning, good afternoon.
నమస్తే, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
This is a very fortunate moment for us, having come over here and having seen this lush green forest garden in this monsoon weather. It's high altitude and it's over the moon for us. And definitely we are looking forward to purchase a flat, and we are very much thankful to Sri Rajanna Uncle Garu for getting over here, and for though it is not merchandise, but for at least a friendly point of view has taken us, but we are very much thrilled upon this, and really hats off to Rajan Uncle.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అంకుల్. మళ్ళీ మీ వీడియో ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ ఇవే ఉంటుంది, మీకు పంపిస్తాను నేను ఇది.